Hello friends, this is Saida Binman from UPSC Aspirates. Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Goa physical map. Maharashtra is a state in Western India region. Godavari and Krishna are two major rivers of the state. Here is the Godavari river. It is the second largest river in India. Mouth of the Godavari river in Bay of Bengal, and the source is Trimbakeshwar, Nasik. It is the length of the Godavari river is 1465 km. Laying in the Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha. This is the Krishna river. Here is the mouth of the Krishna river in Bay of Bengal. It is the fourth largest river in terms of water flows and river basin area in India after the Ganga, Godavari and Brahmaputra. It occupies the western and central part of the country and has a long coastline stretching 720 km along the Arabian Sea. It is divided into 5 geographic regions. Konkan is the western coastal region between the Western Ghats and the sea. Khandesh is the north. Khandesh is the north region laying in the valley of the Tapti and the Purna river. Nasik and Maligaon, Jalgaon, Dhul, Bhusawal are the major cities of the region. Desh is the center of the state. Marathwada, which was the part of the princely state of Hyderabad until 1956, is located in the southeast part of the state. Aurangabad and Nanded are the main cities of the region. Vidarbha is the eastmost region of the state, formerly part of the Central Provision Period. It has three crucial biographic zones, namely Western Ghat, Deccan Plateau and Western Coast. Here is the Satmala Hills, Harishchandra Range, Ajanta Range, Balaghat Range, Santyari Parvat Range, Satmala Hills. These are the range and hills of the Maharashtra state. These are the lake. And some tributaries of the Godavari and the Krishna river. About the Goa. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India within the Konkan region and geographically separated from the Deccan highlands by the Western Ghats. The highest point is the Sansogad with an altitude of 1167 meters. It has coastline of 160 km. It has 7 major rivers are Kyori, Mandovi, Terikhol, Choporo, Kalgibak, Kumbajoyo, Ganal, Dalbona and the Sal. These are the main or the major rivers of the flowing in the Goa. About the Telangana. Telangana is a state in India situated on the south central stretch of the Indian peninsula on the high Deccan Plateau. The terrain of the Telangana region consists of mostly its part of Deccan Plateau and dense forest covering an area of 27,292 square kilometers. Two major rivers with about 79% of the Godavari catchment area and 69% of the Krishna river catchment area. But most of the land is arid. It also twinned by the several minor rivers such as Bhima, the Mani, Majira, the Mosi, Tungabhadra. These are the major tributaries of the Godavari and the Krishna river: Mosi, Ella, Paleru, Veera, Dindi. These are the rivers, tributaries rivers. Wardha, Andheri, these are the tributaries of the Krishna and Godavari. Manjira, this is the lake, Nizam Sagar Lake, one of the famous lake. And about the Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is a state in the southeastern coastal region of India. The state has varied topography ranging from the hills of Eastern Ghats and the Nallamala Hills to the shore of the Bay of Bengal that support varied ecosystem and a rich diversity of the flora and fauna. Here the hills: Iramala Hills, Nilamala Hills, Velikonda Range, Sheshamchalam Hills, Balgonda Range. Here is the valley, Nandayal Valley. The Krishna and the Godavari are the two major rivers. The coastal plain and are the major parts of the delta region formed by the Godavari and Krishna and Pena river. The eastern Ghats are the discontinued and individual sections has local names. The Ghats become more pronounced towards south and the extreme north to the coast. Most of the coastal plains are put to the intense agriculture use. And these are the name: Coromandel Coast near the Andhra Pradesh and the Tamil Nadu coastal line in Bay of Bengal and in Lakshadweep Sea, Malabar coast. Thank you and subscribe my channel.